Hello again, this is Michelle with Paper Stamp Ink, and I am so excited because today the new celebration and catalog and occasions catalogs are live and available for ordering. So I can give you a peek inside the catalogs today. Now I'm not going to go through the entire catalog with you because, you don't want to sit here and listen to me talk forever. You've got crafting to do. But I am going to point out some highlights in this new occasions catalog. This is good from January through June. It's our mini catalog, and let me just tell you, there are some amazing things in here. One of the things that they've done is they've put all of these bundles together in one spot in the catalog for us so that we can check them out. And there's some fun ones for different occasions, lots of bundles. I think this one's going to be a very popular item. It's got the two heart punches as well as the stamp set that coordinates, and I love a punch. So another one that you're going to be seeing quite a bit of is this Parisian Beauty and the painted poppies, but this is a little bit of a sleeper one that I want to point out because this So Sentimental bundle has some great sentiments in it. But then look at these dies. Let me bring this up here for you. Look at these dies that coordinate with it. And you've got all sorts of great stitched shapes that are going to work for all of your cards, not just with that stamp set. So they kind of tuck sometimes these little hidden gems in there. So we've got all of our bundles up front here. I will be showcasing more of those definitely. And then we've got our suites. So these are a great way. The suites are wonderful to pick up a whole set of coordinating products. It tells you these colors, Rio Red and Flirty Flamingo, that coordinate with it. So you can check your cardstock, see if you need to add any of that in. But then you can purchase with one code the bundle. So you've got the punches and the photopolymer stamp, and then you can come in here and look at all of the other items that are available. So here's the bundle. You can look at all these other things that are available, and if you want the whole suite, there's one item code, so you know you're going to get everything that coordinates with it. So one of every item that's shown on this page. Those are great deals. So check out the suites for sure in there. And then we've got, again, I'm not going to go through all of these in here. You're going to see a lot of this Timeless Tropical bundle. I've been having quite a bit of fun playing with that, so be ready to see. Maybe I'm ready for summer. I don't know. I think it's just kind of time for me. And then we've got our kits that are in the back here, and so we've got some fun kits that are wonderful for new stampers. If you want things that you can take with you on the go, and everything is all inclusive. So these kits will come with the stamp set. This has an ink spot as well as all of the papers and some die cuts. Everything is very easy and quick for you. So make sure you check those out. Wonderful for gifts as well. And then they've given us some additional ideas for each of the stamp sets in the back on using them in different ways. A lot of times cards that are different shapes or actual 3D projects as well. So lots of fun in that as well for the kits. And then we've got, again, all of our suites, and then we've got some of the items are highlighted back here, some of the embellishments, packaging, and the new embossing folders, dies, and punches. Again, great ideas for items in here. If you do not currently have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, let me know if you'd like to get your hands on one of these catalogs. And then we've got our whole catalog at a glance in the back. So this is a wonderful quick reference to all of the stamp sets, and then all of the punches, dies, embossing folders. Again, they've just got them all listed here in one quick and easy reference, because sometimes I am a little overwhelmed with all of the wonderful items in the catalog, and I'm trying to remember the names of them. Where did I see it? So I love that quick reference that we have. And then this is our Just for Host set. So the only way you can purchase this fun little set is with being a hostess. Now, to be a hostess, you don't have to have a bunch of friends place orders, but that's the best way to do it. Definitely. You earn free items and you get Stampin' Rewards 50% off, and you can order this. So all of our discounts for our hosts are listed here, but you can also be your own host. So all you have to do is place an order of $150 or more, and you're automatically your own host. So it's a great way if you're making a large order. Make sure that you don't forget about that so that you can earn some free products. And then, of course, we've got our celebration. So this time of year, it's not Christmas. Christmas is gone, but it's like Christmas because we get free items. There are items that are free with a $50 purchase, and there are some that are free with a $100 purchase. And it will tell us in the catalog, it will show us all of the items we can earn for free. So we've got the Gangs All Mirror stamp set. Isn't that just so cute? I love those little grins on there. We've got the lily pad dies. That's free. That's one of the $100 items. So you can get the dies, and then there's the lovely lily pad stamp set. So with a $150 order, you're not only going to get your Stampin' Rewards, but you can also pick up a matching die and stamp set for absolutely free. Here's some of the free designer series paper, this Lily Impressions designer series paper. You can only get that when you order $50. So all of these free items, you can't purchase them either unless you are a demonstrator. And if you want information about becoming a demonstrator, I would love to help you out with that. So we've got our thread and sequins. Otherwise, your best way to get these, or the only way without being a demonstrator you can get these, is to purchase them. Purchase $50 or $100 and get them for free. We've got a kerchief card kit. We've got this gorgeous specialty designer series paper that coordinates with a stamp set, the Honeybee Bundle, which is stamp set and dies that's in the regular, the Occasions catalog, the mini catalog. We've got a great Sending You Thoughts. I can always use more sentiments. I love to have a variety of sentiments that I can utilize for whatever occasion, and have some that are landscapes, some that are portraits, small, big, so I know they can fit in whatever scenario I want to use them on my cards. We've got this thoughtful balloons. I love this. These are just, I think flowers, floral images are great for so many different occasions. They're very universal, and I love how you can add the flower in the middle of all the branches and just get some beautiful pops of color there. And then, you know me, I love a punch. So we've got a free punch there as well. We also have this Power of Hope bundle, which includes a stamp set and an embossing folder. And this embossing folder is like a stone look on there. So it's really cool, new embossing folder. And then we do have one other host set. You can only get this for free when you host a party of place a personal order of $300 or more. So these are just so stinking cute. I love these guys. Little, or ladies, I don't know, ladybugs, you know, they can be boys and girls, right? So I think they're just so cute, and they're going to be a lot of fun to play with as we get into spring and summer. So again, the only way you can do that is by placing an order. Now, if you don't have a demonstrator currently and you'd like to place an order, I sure would love the opportunity to earn your business. You can shop at my link below, and I love to reward my customers with special gifts and thank yous for shopping with me. If you need any help at all, drop me a line at my website, or I will put my email below. Until we meet again, make sure that you grab your paper, stamp, and ink and do something creative.